Regulators, mount up.
Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. So today we're back out in the shack and we're going to be doing a cook. Now we're going to do up some chicken quarters and some corn on the cob for dinner. But it's really not about that. We're going to be doing those up on the Weber 26-inch kettle, but it really isn't about that. What it's about is a company reached out to me and asked if I would review their product. Now, I get a lot of companies reaching out and asking if I will review their products. And a lot of the stuff that I see that comes into my email, stuff that doesn't even pertain to what I'm about my channel or what I do. And I turn those down. I tell them, no, it doesn't fit into what I do. Find somebody else that can do that. So I only look at product that has to do with things that I'm interested in, like grilling. And this company is the makers of the SmartRO or SmartRO cooking thermometer, 2-probe cooking thermometer. Now you can see you've got one that's like a pit temp and then one's your meat temp. So I told them, yeah, sure, I'll review this for you. I always like testing out new thermometers. So we'll take a look at this. I'm going to stick it into the chicken and into the pit. I'm going to try to run the pit around 350 for the chicken and run the chicken up. Now I personally like to run it to 165, 170. So we'll do that and we will see how accurate this really is compared to like a true read thermometer. So looking forward to showing you this product, and stick around because I got some exciting news too. So let's get into this cook. Okay, what we have here is the SmartRO or SmartRO cooking thermometer. Now this thing is, probe range is minus 58 Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit. Unit measurements is 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 482 degrees Fahrenheit. Cooking probe cable range max 700 degrees. Timer range countdown settable to 99 minutes and 59 seconds. You can switch it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. And its power supply is 2 AAA batteries. Now it doesn't come with the batteries. It comes with 1 digital meat thermometer, 2 probes, waterproof probes, the manual, and a probe holder. So you've got like your pit temp and then your meat temp. So let's get into this and take a look at it. So this is the user's manual, extended warranty information, your voice matters. Alrighty, then you've got, let's see what we got over here. There's your probes. You can see what it looks like. Okay, so you got 2 of those. They're identical. Move those out of the way. Here is the actual monitoring unit. Has a little stand on it. You've got a switch, off, timer, cook, Celsius, Fahrenheit. Looks like it's got a couple of magnets there. Might be magnetic. We'll find that out. That's your probe, and that's your probe. And then you have your pit temp clamp for your grill grates. Cool. All right. SmartRO cooking thermometer. Okay, let's go ahead and take off this safety screen protector. Let's put some batteries in it. Now it doesn't come with batteries, so I had those, put those in there, put the safety cover back on. Let's put it on cook. All right, so it's a touch screen. You can set where you want it to alarm at there. You can toggle between 1 and 2 there. So what we want to set the temp. That's going up. We want to go down. So we want, for this cook, we're going to be doing chicken. I want it to alert me at 160. And then the second one, touch this. This will be the, we're going to use this as our pit temp. We're going to try to run it at 350. So let's get this up. So you can hold it and it'll speed up. Okay, 350. This is pit 2, this is pit 1, or probe 1 and probe 2. Let's see. If we come up here, you can select how you want it cooked. We're going to be doing chicken. They actually want, let's do this. I want chicken, they're saying 170. What you need to do, like I got it at 350. Here you've got your presets for beef well done, medium, fish and rare, burgers or pork. And then you got your chicken setting. And then you hit it once more to get in the setting. You can just leave it there. And it should just shut off, and there we go. We have our presets set. Now we'll get it out there on the old pit and leave it out there and see how well it reacts. All right, let's get this 26 fired up. Got my tumbleweed. We're back with the grill gun. So I kind of figured out what I was doing wrong with it. What you want to do, you want to barely open the valve and then get it started, and then you can adjust it. Really fire up. We'll get that tumbleweed going and shut that off. Get our coals in it. So I really like this mini chimney. It seems to be about the right amount of coals for a cook like this. I do have my custom basket in there. We can add more coals if we need to. And we're going to be using my favorite new product, those Drunk Chunks from Drunk Chunks Barbecue. Find them on Instagram. I love those whiskey barrel oak chunks. They are so good and they put off such a great smell. All right, so we'll let this get going. We got our corn soaking right now. We'll get this all fired up and running. Okay, the coals are up to temp. Time to get them dumped into the basket. Get some Drunk Chunks in here too. Whiskey barrel smoke. Oh yeah. Okay, you can see that thing really smoking. Open it up. Let's get our corn on here. There you go. We're gonna let these go for a little bit and then we'll come out and put the chicken. These chicken cores we got, I just picked up from our local grocery store. They are pre-seasoned with some kind of lemon and herbs, as you can see. So what we're going to do is we're just going to pull this back, and we're going to get these on the old Weber grill. That corn is looking beautiful. Corn is just about done. Get those. So bring our chicken over. What I'm going to do is I am going to do a real quick sear on them. I'm going to firm them up a little bit, like so. Let's get this one back here. Alright, we're just going to let that sear up for a minute, and then we're going to flip them over. We're going to sear the other side, and then we're going to move them to the non-direct side, and we're going to put our probe in one of them and let it come up to temp. Look at that. These ones back here, see how they're done. Oh yeah, I like that. Delicious. This one flipped over. Okay, as our grill comes back up to temp, you can see that it says that the chicken is at 62 degrees and our grill is running, it's climbing right now because I just put the lid back on, and it'll come up to about 370 is what we've been running. So I'm just going to leave it right there, let it go. Okay, this is our chickens up to 152, 53. We'll run the grill at about 331. So we're going to go ahead and start opening these vents back up. Get her a little warmer again. Get a little more air flow through there. And we'll go from there. Let's have a quick look at everything. Oh, that chicken. Oh my. Oh. Looks so good. Let's just see what this one is at. She's hitting the bone there. Fire's hot. I would say our corn is done, so let's get it off. Okay. This is smelling so good out here. This chicken is beautiful. Let's just have a quick peek. Oh yeah, 172 on that one. Delicious looking. All right, so I had mentioned something exciting. The fine people over at SmartRO that sent me this, I had told them, yeah, I'll be more than happy to review this. Why don't you guys send me another one that I can give away on my YouTube channel when I do the video. So what you have to do to get yourself a free SmartRO 2 probe cooking thermometer is like this video, be a subscriber of mine, and down in the comments type in hashtag chicken on the 26 for the 26-inch Weber. So that's hashtag chicken on the 26. And a couple weeks after this video post, I will go down in the comments and I'll pick a winner of this here. So watch this video, like it, subscribe, and comment chicken on the 26, and I'll pick a winner. Now unfortunately it's only offered to people in the US because of the shipping and everything. So if you live in the US and you want to try one of these, here's your chance to win one by hashtag chicken on the 26th. And I'll pick a winner in 2 weeks from the time that I post this video. It was pretty neat. Pretty nice of them to send a second one, don't you think? All right, here's our finished chicken quarters and corn on the cob. Can't wait to try this. Let's get into this. Okay, I'm gonna caveman this out. This looks so good. Let's start with our corn. Let's just take a bite of the corn. Okay, another bite. The corn is perfect, just the way I like it. Cheers. Now let's try this chicken quarter. Still pretty hot. Ooh, might be too hot for me to even try. But oh yeah. You know, I was a little skeptical about that being pre-seasoned. I don't usually buy stuff pre-seasoned, but that is really good. Oh, I gotta go in for another bite. Still really hot, but so juicy. Oh my, that's delicious. That is delicious chicken. Weber, what can I say? It always does a great job. Wiping my hands off. So you saw how I did that. Heated up the Weber, put the corn on probably 15 minutes before I put the chicken on, and I had let the corn soak for a good 2 hours with the husk pulled back, and then I put the husk back over it, set it on there, and let them go. Like I said, for about 15 minutes. Then I put the chicken on. I kind of put them on the direct for a couple minutes, then I flipped them over and did the skin side up for a couple minutes, and then I pulled them off, stuck that probe in it from SmartRO, and just let it go. And let it go till it hit 172 according to this, and then I started really monitoring it. I think I pulled it at 175. I checked it with my smart read, and it was right there. So this thing is accurate. It was reading the exact same thing this was. I would say it read pretty accurately based on what was happening and how the cook was going. If you heard, I have one of these to give away. You might have to go back in the video and figure out how you could win one of these. You know, if you're out here doing something and you're cooking and you want something to just kind of watch the temps of your grill or your meats, then this is your thing. The one probe can either be a meat probe or a pit probe. You can run 2 meats and no pit probe if you want. So real easy to use, user friendly, pretty nice little product for what it is. And I think you can find them on Amazon and other places. So check them out. SmartRO. Like I always say, thank you for watching. You can do this too. It's not that hard. Grill on.